Hello, and welcome to the portal.
In today's video, we will be going over the portal's many powerful features that help your team run at 100%. First off, please go to our website at jlmstrategic.com and then click on the portal at the upper right corner. When on the login page, check your offer letter to view your login credentials and add them in the appropriate space. When your credentials have been entered, click on Login, which will then take you to your main dashboard. While in the dashboard, you have the ability to view your sick hours along with your PTO hours. At the bottom is some general information about you. In this portal, you can submit timesheets, see employment documents to request time off, and so much more. First off, there will be a document upload category where employees may upload their appropriate documents for submission. Next up, let's check out the referral program. If you know someone who is qualified to work at JLM, you may submit their information in the text area below. Next up, let's look at the points category. There are 3 ways to earn points, with the most common one being an on-time submission and full-time submission. If you qualify with enough points, you will be eligible for gift cards of your choice. The next menu selection item will be the employee handbook. If you ever need to review government or JLM forms, this is the place to do it. Next up, let's go down to the employee information. Here, you can look at frequently asked questions, including video tutorials and tips if you want to know more about the portal or JLM. Next up on the tab, we have the Paychecks, which will then take you to an external website through Paychecks where you may input your username and login to view direct deposits, commission, retirement, and everything involved with your paychecks. Next up will be your timesheet. Here is where you're going to log your total hours, including regular, overtime, and sick hours. If you happen to need time off, feel free to go to the Request Time Off, where you will view available time off, a reason, and the date you would like. If you would like to view your notifications in the portal, please click on the Notifications tab, and if you have any, you will be able to filter them and see. And lastly, if you need to contact us, our contact information is at the top of the page, including a direct message if you don't want to write an email. When you are finished with the portal, be sure to log out so that information stays private to you. Again, thank you for viewing our video on how to use the portal, and be sure to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel to get in-depth content on everything we went over today. Thank you for watching.